still you have not found yet a solution for how to install an Android application into your Android smartphone. You have downloaded it from any browser, any application you have downloaded from browser, it is not installing into your Android smartphone, means then you are facing, or your smartphone is have some setting troubles. You need to enable it, and after that you can install any kind of application. So before going to start a video, so this type of application is third-party application installing to our Android smartphone, which will allow restriction to install that type of apps. If you want to install that type of application, that it is harmful for your Android smartphone, but still you want to install this into your Android smartphone, means it is as to wish you. I suggest you not to install like these apps, but this video is only for a education purpose, not for any violation or not for any forgery purpose. This video is only for education purpose. So if you interested in this, how to install your Android application, third party Android application, so this type, it will display this type of error that app can't be installed. So how you can install this type of applications into your Android smartphone, means so watch this video until and you can able to fix this kind of error 101%, because I personally faced these difficulties, and I am not taking the application name here, which application I install, but this method remains same for any application. Whether if you download from a Play Store, it is not installing, this type of error is coming, means same method. Or if you download a application from any third party websites, browsers, if you want to install that also giving this type of error, means for that also same process. So watch this video until and you can able to fix this kind of error. And if you love me, support me, if you help this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, because it will make me more motivated to make more videos like this. So without wasting time, let's start a video.
So you need to go to your settings. In settings, click on general management. In this we need to go to reset. We need to reset all the settings of our device. When it will become as a, when you bought a new mobile, what type of settings will be there, that type of settings will come to our mobile phone. Reset settings. After doing this, it will restart automatically your mobile phone. Understood? After that, come back for the settings, click on apps. After clicking on apps, in this it will take a while of seconds for loading all the applications that are stored in our mobile phone. So it has been loaded. In this we need to find a Google Play and Google Play service. Yeah, we have found it. Click on Google Play Store. After going there, click on storage. In this we need to clear a data of Google Play Store. The storage will be minimized, and come back and click on Google Play services. Yeah, we need to go to Google Play services. In this, no memory is alright. We need to click on storage. Google Play Store is already over. Google Play service, we need to click it. After that, click on memory. Now storage, manage storage. In this we can't erase a data, because it will erase all the data permanently from the accounts, databases, etc. So we need to clear a cache in this. So come back, click on clear cache. It will clear all the cached memory storage of Google Play services. Understood? After that, come back. After doing this, we need to click on above 3 icons. Yeah, uninstall updates. It will uninstall all the Google Play Store updates for a while of seconds. So after doing this, come back. We need to restart our device. Restart it. Yeah, I have been restarted. Once again we need to come for settings. After that, click on biometric and security, or security. Come to Google Play Protect. In this we need to off a Google Play Protection. Yeah, because on a third party application we need to install, means we need to off these settings. After that, app permission, we need to off app permissions also. After that also we need to restart our mobile phone. So click on restart. Yeah, after that, go to your internal storage where the third party downloaded application will be saved. No, so I have been downloaded it from this. I am going for a source folder here. I need to install it. Yeah, I have been clicked. It has been starting a process to install the application. So I installed that application successfully into my device. I hope you have been understood.